Alright, so check this out. Not about this plant, but I've been messing around with this idea and today we are gonna try something totally random. Instead of carefully picking a niche, doing research or planning things out like people usually do when they start a store, I'm gonna let a single random word decide everything. Yup, only one word. The challenge is simple. I type that word into Doba AI and we see if it can actually turn it into a full working dropshipping store. No preparation, no setup ahead of time, just one word and the AI. Why? Because if this works, it means you could basically turn any idea, even something silly or random, into a store in minutes. And if it fails, well, at least it will be fun to watch. So let's get into it. So the first thing first, I'm logging into my Doba account. If you never used it before, they have got this trial thing where you pay 99 cents to unlock all the AI tools. After that, of course, you can mess around with the product sourcing, store building, and even connect the different platforms. It's actually kind of cool because you don't have to throw in hundreds of dollars just to get started. You can test stuff, experiments, and see what works. Since I already have an account, I'm skipping the sign up and jumping right into the dashboard. Okay, so here's we are on the main dashboard. On the left side, you will see the menu. It's got stuff like products, orders, stores, and then the right below that, there's a section called AI Hub. In the middle of the dashboard, you will see little quick links like sourcing products, connecting a store, or checking orders. It's all pretty clean and not overwhelming, which is nice because a lot of dropshipping tools look confusing when you first open them. But the main spot we will be hanging out in today is the AI Hub. That's where the magic happens. And before I jump into the AI, let me quickly check this out, the store section. This is where you link Doba to whatever platform you are selling on. So let's say you have got a Shopify store, you just click connect store, log into your Shopify account, and Doba links directly. Same thing with eBay, Amazon, or Ecommerce. After that, any product you choose inside Doba can be pushed straight to your storefront. For this video, I'm just showing you the process, but if I wanted this random word store to actually go live, this is where I did set it up. I'm heading into the Doba AI Hub. Inside here, you got a bunch of options like AI Auto Listener, AI Product Finder, and right here the Build Store tool. And this is the one we are using today. It literally takes a single word or niche and builds out a whole store concept for you. Names, categories, products, and even description. Normally that kind of setup would take hours. So let's see how this hold up. Okay, time to lock in the word. I'm pulling up a random word generator right now, and the word is beauty. That's definitely not something I did normally pick, but hey, that's the challenge. Whatever words comes up, that's what we are rolling with. Let's type it into the box and hit generate. Alright, so it's thinking and loading, and wow, okay, here we go. The AI actually spit out a full store concept. I was half expecting it to just throw into random junk, but no, it's legit finding items that make sense. And each product already comes with a description that sounds natural enough to use right away. So let's go through it piece by piece. The categories is nicely split up. Instead of dumping everything into one page, it gave me sections so that site will feel professional. And look at the products. These are really solid and the description are written in a way that feels human, not robotic. You would not even need to edit them much before publishing. Now let's say I want to actually launch the store. From here, all I have to do is select the product I like and hit the add to store. Doba puts everything straight into Shopify or whichever platform I have connected. That means in just a few clicks, this random word store could be online and ready to go. And since Doba handles supplier and full payment, you don't need to store inventory or ship anything yourself. It's literally just picking, publishing, and letting the system handle the rest. So there we have it. We started with one random word, plugged it into Doba AI, and ended up with a full dropshipping store idea, complete with a name, categories, products, and even description. Now, is this guaranteed to be the next $1 million store? Probably not, but the fact that it's even possible to build a working concept in minutes is kinda crazy. The big takeaway here is this: you don't need weeks of research just to test an idea. You can experiment, you can try weird things, and you can see results instantly. So if you are someone who keeps overthinking what needs to start with, maybe just try something random and see what happens. Sometimes the best ideas come out of now here. And hey, if you want me to spend a random word generator again and test another one, drop some words in the comments. We might end up building a store around something completely ridiculous next time. And if you want to learn more about Doba, then definitely watch this video now and hit that red subscribe button.